Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Shirva Masagara Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon natatigyan natin ano gusto sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of September 16 hanggang September 22 for the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, at spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Ano naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mahagilap? So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click yun na po subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos sa i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit, ano ang mensahe sa atin ng mga gabay natin? There is a King of Wands. There's a control with an obsessions or there's a toxicities. There's a devil energy. No? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na kinukontrol mo or kinukontrol ka na isang eksena na to. What is the devil? Let's see what is the devil para malaman din natin yan. And of course, there's an 8 of Wands. There's a lot of messages coming in for you. Maraming trouble and there's past communication coming in. And of course, there's a 4 of Swords. Listen to your intuition. Listen to your gut feeling. And of course, there's an fear. No? Some of you, there's a fear. At the same time, there's a King of Cups. There's a person coming back. Or there's a past person na involvement dito. Let's see. And of course, there's okay, let's see. Ano yung 6 of Cups na? There's an happiness. Okay, there's an family related. Some of you there's an happiness coming in for you na magbibigay sa'yo talaga ng fulfillment. No? Kumbaga, meron dito nga, kumbaga, union. What is the King of Wands? Okay, there's a Temperance. Okay, there's a Temperance represent perfect timing or there's a time, no? Okay, thank you. Kumbaga, kailangan kontrolin daw ng yung emotions mo, no? Kumbaga, huwag ka masyado maging padalos-dalos. So, what is the Devil card? Devil card represent an 8 of Cups. Okay, meron taong hindi maka-move on dito. At the same time, the World card represent a trouble. Or sinasabi dito, kailangan mo na makaalis sa situation, pero hinaharang. No, meron ditong pagpunta mo sa ibang bansa or pag-alis mo. Pero hindi ka makaalis-alis kasi may the devil energy na hinaharang ang pag-alis mo. Or there's a walking away. Gusto mong kumawala, gusto mong umalis, pero hindi ka makaalis kasi ay hinaharang, no? What is the 8 of Wands? Okay, there is a 9 of Pentacles. Blossoming abundance. Kumaga itong message na to or past communication na magdadala sa'yo ng blossoming abundance. What is the 4 of Sword? There's a potential for abundance, ha? Kaya talagang mayroon kang kumbaga may possibility na gumanda ang iyong buhay. At the same time, there's a 10 of Pentacles. There's a 9 and 10. It means so there's an upgraded. No, talagang mag-upgrade ka talaga, kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng long-term success and long-term investment. At the same time, makinig ka sa intuitions mo, no? And of course, alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. Be confident who you are and whatever you are. So, what is the 6 of Cups? There's an Queen of Wands. There's a confident. Kailangan magkaroon ka ng confident dito, ha? Confident sa ginagawa mo. Okay. There's a stability. At the same time, there's a 9 of Pentacles. Secure about sa finances. No? Kailangan maging secure ka dito about sa finances mo. What is the King of Wands and the Temperance? Okay, there's a 5 of Cups. Kumbaga, there's kumbaga, nasasayang yung oras. No? Parang feeling mo nasasayang yung oras, nasasayang yung panahon. At of course, siguro sinasabi dito na huwag mong sayangin yung pagkakataon at panahon. What is the devil? And of course, the word card, the 8 of Cups. There's the Wheel of Fortune. May swerteng papasok dito, ha. Kumbaga yung ikot ng kapalaran, kumbaga nakatadhana talaga para sa'yo. Pero there's a devil energy. Mukhang kailangan mo munang basagin ng black energy dito. Kasi alam mo ka bakit? Yung swerte na papasok sa imbis na swerte kang balasan. Ano siya, reverse siya para sa'yo. Kabaligtaran siya sa nangyayari sa'yo. Kaya magugulat ka bakit ganito nangyayari sa akin, bakit ganito, laging may delays, laging may postpone or something. Kasi merong umaharang sa'yo. What is the Eight of Wands? And of course, the Ten of Pentacles, there's a judgment. And of course, there's a death card. Kumbaga, wake up call, no? Parang ito na yung sinasabi sa inyo ng ating universe, ng ating angel spirit na you need to take an action, no? Awakening. Parang wake up call or red flag na kailangan mo nang gumising sa katotohanan, di ba? Kailangan mo nang kumilos, kailangan mo nang tapusin ang bagay-bagay na dapat mong tapusin. That card represents an ending and a new beginning. Maaaring may magsisimula ng part sa buhay mo na magkakaroon ng blossoming abundance. So, what is the Four of Swords? And then Ten of Pentacles. There's a Page of Pentacles. There's a manifestation. May mga bagay na bububuo at there's a fresh ideas, no? Kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng mga bagong ideas dito at the same time may mga bagay na may isa sa katuparan ka at this moment. So what is the Six of Cups and the Queen of Wands? There's an Emperor. Be mature enough and be grounded. Dapat hindi ka na nagpapasulsol o nagpapabuyo dito, no? It's either a family issues or family related, something of friend, no? Kumbaga, be mature enough. And of course, if you have an excess, kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, kapag bumalik tong ex mo or yung something, kailangan wag ka nang magpauto. No, yung sinasabi sa'yo, basta wag kang magpapauto kahit anong eksena na yan, sa family, sa kaibigan, kumbaga, you have a mature mind, no? Kumbaga, kailangan maging mature ka dito. At the same time, there's a Page of Cups, listen to your intuition and gut feeling, no? Kumbaga, hold your vision. Kung alam mo yung nararamdaman mo na, parang nasa sense mo na something, ganon, kumbaga, kailangan magkaroon ka ng secure, no? I-secure mo yan. And of course, about sa outcome. Overall, there's an Hermit card. There's a spiritual values. And of course, there's a Three of Pentacles. Collaboration, no? Kailangan mong, kumbaga, aralin, or kailangan mong malaman, or kailangan mong, kumbaga, magmatsyag or something na magbibigay sa'yo ng kasagutan dito about sa spirituality. There's an, okay, thank you, Angel Spirit. Meron daw ditong evil eye, something na, kumbaga, kaya daw nahaharang kasi kinukontra daw, naiinggit to sa'yo. Kumbaga, tinitignan kanya, 'di ba? Yung curse na, kumbaga bate, or, kumbaga, binati ka lang, nausog ka, ganun, kumbaga, ganun siya, guys. There's a spirituality kasi marami kasing cases about just sa black magic involved. It's either usog, kumbaga, meron ding, sumpa, 'di ba? Maraming mga any standard na kung ano yung magkakaroon sa'yo dito about sa blockages mo, no? And there's a star card, there's a wish fulfillment. May matutupad naman sa mga gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo. Pero kailangan mo lang sirain at basagin tong devil energy na to. Kasi there's a Wheel of Fortune, 'di ba? Kumbaga talagang iikot ang kapalaran. Talagang turning to your favor, no? Pero kailangan mo mag-take ng action. What is additional outcome? Let's see. What is additional outcome? There is a Knight of Swords in the Moon card. There's a revelation, there's an information, no? Kailangan mo makakuha ng information. Magiging mabilis tong eksena na to. There's a fast movement or something na magdadala sa iyo ng revelasyon at information, no? Kailangan mo makakuha ng information. Malalaman mo ang katotohanan sa likod na yan. Kumbaga, ikaw pala yung ikaw pala yung inggitera, ganun. Kapag, and of course, there is a Six of Pentacles, Power of the Deck, magtutuloy-tuloy daw about sa finances. So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. What is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? There is a faith, no? Kumbaga, there is a divine intervention. Yun yung sinasabi kong paalala di ba dito? Kumbaga, may paalala sa'yo na huwag mo sasayangin yung opportunities. At the same time, there is guarded, protectionin mo yung sarili mo. No? Kung ayaw mo magsisi sa huli. And of course, last, there's a release. I told you, release. 'Di ba? Kailangan mo alisin or sirain yung mga negative energy. So let's see what is the love oracle card for you. Okay, there's a love call. Some of you, there's a messages. At the same time, there's a paradise, enjoying happiness. And of course, there's a boat. There's a boat. There's moving on o closure issues. No, kailangan mo may sarado tong issues na to about dyan sa eksena na to. Kailangan mo na makaalis eh, 'di ba? Kumbaga there's a boat, kailangan mo na makaalis pero kailangan mo na i-close yung issue na 'yon. 'Di ba? Yung sinasabi kong release. So what is additional messages? And of course, there's a bathroom. Cleansing. Isa pa yan. Kailangan mo mag-cleansing. Diba? There's a negativity talaga, T. Ang lakas ng energy mo. And there's a trouble. Oh, I told you. May trouble dito. And of course, okay, what is the love or what is the romance angels? What is romance angels? Okay. Reconciliation. So, some of you talaga may balikan dito or may babalik na tao para sa buhay mo. Someone, your past is returning into your life. Additional messages. A woman holding a coin. And of course, door to value. So, if you are a woman, kumbaga talagang mayroon talaga nakalaan na talagang siksik-liglig nag-uumapaw na finances. If you are Sagittarius man, nasa sa asawa mo ang kumbaga marunong humawak ng pera ang asawa mo. No? Kumbaga marunong talaga siyang kumbaga may business or may trabaho din ang person mo. At the same time, there's the door to value. Talagang may pintuan talaga, no, para sa kasaganahan para sa iyo. What is the chakra? There's a passion, no? Kailangan talagang nasa nasa passion mo. Kung ano yung gusto mo talagang gawin mo hanggat maaga pa. At the same time, there's a prayer, no? Some of you talagang kailangan mo rin na magdasal. At the same time, bakit pinagdadasal ka? And of course, there's an image, no? Kumbaga may humaharang. I told you, di ba? Oh, may humaharang ng pag-angat mo. May humahadlang ng pag-alis mo. What is the mythology? You and your loved ones are safe. And of course, a fairy climax approaches. So, ibig sabihin, doon ka na sa exciting part eh. Excited ka na, pero at the end of the time, diba? Yung parang, bigla ka magugulat, parang na-postpone or something, that because of there's a negativity na kailangan mong alisin. What is Archangel Michael messages? God is in charge. And of course, an energy healing works. So, kailangan mo talagang, parang sinasabi sa ni God dito na you need to take an action. There's an instrument na hinahatid sa'yo. Meron taong tutulong sa'yo at kailangan mo ng tulong ng ibang tao. There's an energy healing work. So, kailangan mo magpagamot at magpagaling or kailangan mong gamutin gawa ng black magic. And of course, God is in charge. Kumbaga, tutulungan ka dito ni God. No? What is additional messages? Or there's a signs of synchronicities parang inahatid na sa'yo ni God. Pero kailangan mo makinig. What is additional messages? There's a nutrition. And of course, there's a crystal stone. Kumbaga, there's a gemstone na kailangan mo rin for healing. Kumbaga, merong amethyst, citrine, or something na tiger eye for block din ng negativity. And of course, there's a nutritions. Kumbaga, kailangan mo na masusustansya pagkain. At the same time, there's an environmentalism. So, ibig sabihin, nasa environment mo. No? Kumbaga, merong mga inggitera dyan sa paligid mo. At the same time, what is the Jesus loving quotes? Judge not that you be the judge. Ibig sabihin dito, wag mong husgahan kung ayaw mong husgahan ka. Diba? Okay. What is angel's number? Angel's number represents a 29. I am insightful. You are highly intuitive and creative. Your mind things in our pictures and you seem to draw information and ideas from out of the sky. A powerful drive to know that oneness of all things. So, ibig sabihin dito, may mga bagay na ipapakita sa iyo ang ating universe. There's a creative expression or creative things na ipapakita siya sa iyo. Pero, depende na lang yan kung paano information i-deliver sa'yo ng ating mga angel spirit. So, ibig sabihin dito, makinig ka lang by intuitions, by dreams, maraming signs kung paano tayong hahatiran ng mga mensahe ng ating spirit guide. So, basta pakinggan at kailangan mo unawain. So, guys, let's see what is the messages of life. Messages of life represent I welcome. So what is I welcome? I welcome light as it presents itself to me. Today I take each step on my path to fulfill with a good faith. I swim easily with the flow of life. I embrace all experiences that universe bestows on me. Even those that may prove challenging, I know all will fall into place for my greater good. Alam mo sa sarili mo na ilalagay ka ni God kung saan ka talaga nararapat. No? Kumaga, may mga bagay talaga sa mundo na pilit man nilang hadlangan, pilit man nilang pigilan. Diba? Kumbaga, mapipigilan man nila yung ibang part ng mangyayari sa buhay mo. Pero at the end of the time, mas pinagaganda lang nila yung totoong kwento ng buhay mo. Diba? Kumbaga, mangyari man ganon, kumbaga, inarangan nila yung plano ni God. Kumbaga, hindi man mangyari sa iyo yung mga bagay na gusto mong mangyari. In God perfect time, ibibigay talaga ni God yan sa'yo kung ano yung deserve mo. At the same time, ibabalik naman sa kanila kung ano man yung ginawa nila. Kasi parang sinira nila ang plano na nasa taas na hindi naman akma doon sa plano niya. Kumbaga sinasabi dito, gawin man nila ng hindi maganda, gumawa man sila ng hindi maganda against sa'yo. Proteksyonan at pangalagaan mo ang sarili mo. May mga bagay na babalik sa Kanya when the God give hustisya, no? Bibigyan ng hustisya at bibigyan ng bibigyan ng pagkakataon ni God na ibalik sa kanila lahat-lahat ng mga ginawa nila against sa'yo. No? Kung there's a consequences eh. Kung ano man yung nangyari sa'yo, napigilan ka, nagkaroon ng epektong hindi maganda sa'yo, babalik sa kanila yon ng higit pa sa binigay nila ng paghirap or paghadlang sa kung ano man ang meron na yon. Depende na lang yon kung paano mo mararanasan yung mga bagay na pinaparanas nila. So, there's what goes around comes around. Hayaan mo ang hustisya at hayaan mo si God ang magbigay ng karma. Diba? There's a universal law of karma na babalik sa kanila kung ano man ang ginawa nila. So, kailangan mo lang proteksyonan at pangalagaan yung sarili mo. 'Di ba? Kasi sayang ang oras at panahon. Kailangan pangalagaan mo at proteksyonan at alisin mo ang mga negativity na nagbabalot sa iyo. Kasi kung ano man ang mangyari, babalik at babalik sa kanila in other way. Maraming salamat po. This is a weekly gabay for the month of September 16 hanggang September 22 for the sign of Sagittarius. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course guys, don't forget to comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course location nyo kung asan lang kayo ngayon para sa susunod na reading natin, baka energy mo na ang masagap natin. At malay mo, kayo sa yung kwento na ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung nila pa makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat guys, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!